This is your YouTuber, PokeBetYuber, and today we got, as a bonus we got Chilling Rain Boost Pack. And to start with the good news, there's only 1 month left until we get Brilliant Stars in the English, and 1 month, the same goes for Japanese too. There's only 1 month left. And the new V-Star is too hyped, man. Just get hyped because it's too awesome. I don't know what this does, but I have seen a lot of V-Star cards. Like in the Japanese, the Shaman V-Star was really revealed. Check out me on Cactus Post community tab about it. Not in English, but if it is in Japanese, English, obviously it will come in English, as you all know. And I don't know. We have only seen like that this increases the HP of the star by 50 for the maximum and for basic types. And for 30 for 250 HP kind of beast. Steelix, Blissey. All the same time, the time I'm recording is 2:55 PM IST. So you would get it in 3:30 or something like that. Let's just go to versus and let's battle. Yo man, like versus ladder is resetted. Yo, that's super duper cool of it. Eternatus V, man, I want to get hands on it. It's like crazy good thing. Eternatus V Max is great. Great. Yeah. So the thing is that I tried to make an account on this thing, Pokemon Trading Card Game Online, but I wasn't able to see. I just went through a whole process of 1 hour. I spent my time of 1 hour, which is really precious, and I spent 1 hour on it and just got nothing. Got nothing. Nothing. It got really tough, but and that was for nothing. I realized it after that 1 hour. So let's go to collection and see how many Poké coins we have. We can see it in versus, but we'll see booster packs too. We have only 88 versus. Sorry. We only have 88 Poké coins, and as you all know, we opened three Sun and Moon era booster packs, and 4 Plasma Blast booster packs, and we got nothing. Just a holo rare out of it. We just got a holo rare out of it. So to begin this video, let's open a Chilling Rain pack. Let's open up. Just God, give me something at least. Just give me a regular vehicle. What the hell? I just got Golem. Man, these are tough. These are tough. By the hit rate. Some could get too lucky, while some could get just, not too lucky, but I have opened 4 Plasma Blast booster packs and just got a holo rare. Is this too worse? And I opened all of my Sun Moon era booster packs and just got nothing. Not even a holo rare. all of my freeze and Moon Era Bush Maxim is gone now. Yeah. I got nothing out of them. Yeah. But yeah, it was a huge boost to my collection. Obviously, like see this, I got a lot of plasma Pokemon because Plasma Storm is the start of Plasma era in BW, like Buffland. I have Buffland Team Plasma. Yeah, see this Celebi is awesome, right? Buffland Team Plasma and got this Cherubi 2 from Plasma Storm and got this Cherubi from Plasma Storm 2. Buffland Team Plasma and got this awesome, really cool Copper Juggy too. And got Cosmom regular rare and Cosmom regular and common and reverse hollow too. We have currently different team classes and got the Freddy as thing. Yeah, who could forget this January slot? Rare Scotch and collection. Yeah, Durant Team Plasma, Buffalo Team Plasma, all and ending too. Sorry for the. Yeah, got Garbodor Team Plasma too. Like I have been getting a lot of Golett and Golurk. Like Golett. Yeah, see. Got this Grotel from Plasma Storm as well. Yeah, I have currently three Plasma Storm. Plasma Pokemon. Yeah, not Plasma Storm. But yeah, this is the holo we got from Plasma Storm Magnezone. Holo Rare, Team Plasma Magnezone Holo Rare. This is a Team Plasma Pokemon as well as a Holo Rare. So yeah, we have four. Yeah, we have four Team Plasma Pokemon. Yeah. See, I have the Mareep from Chilling Reign, regular version and reverse hollow. Yeah, this is our Whistlord and Scissor Beach. Yeah, we pulled this holographic from Fusion Strike, which is Swampert Hollow. We even got this Talonflame. Freaking waste. Yeah, we got another Team Plasma Pokemon, which is Watchog. This is really cool, and I have a ton of them from Team Plasma. Interestingly, like yeah. Now I have two of them from Team Plasma. I mean from Team Plasma, but no, it's not from Plasma Storm. It's from another set from 2012. Yeah, so we have 5 Team Plasma Pokemon in total. Yeah, we pulled this freaking cool Zarubi. Yeah, that's it. We only have 5 Team Plasma Pokemon. Totally. Yes, totally. I got Team Plasma Pokemon. Team Plasma Colress. Yeah, might wanna run a Team Plasma deck because I have a lot of Team Plasma Pokemon. And this Plasma like it seems interesting. Yeah, I already read about it on the last video when I put it this. Yeah, but yeah, I just forgot about the text. Each Pokemon that has a plasma energy attached to it, both yours and Augment, has no weakness. Yes, wait, just wait. Because I don't have any plasma energy. If I have, I might use it. It might work well a lot. And yeah. Yeah, see, I improved on a lot of single check and rabbit check Pokemon and trainers as well. I got the regular Seabolt and the reverse hollow one too, which are rapid strike and single strike, scroll of piercing, single strike, scroll of scorn. I got 3 of them, which is just yeah, insane. I don't know how I got, but yeah, I got single strike mustard. I got single strike a lot, yeah. And I have a lot of finished Pokemon as well. Yeah, got any? No, I think yeah, Tower of Darkness, single strike. Welcoming lantern is also single. Yeah, that's it. So I am willing to put a single strike deck together. Yeah. Heracross. I mean, where did you got the word Hera? Oh, Aromatera. Oh, yeah. Even that. Yeah. Okay.